How to switch Facebook creator account to private account. So if you have a Facebook creator account, by creator account you probably have a professional account. So if I open Facebook and then I go to my profile page over here, and if I just refresh it like this, basically you will be able to see that I have got a professional account, which is a creator account. So to turn this off and also make my account private, first of all, I can tap this three dots icon from the top right hand side. The very first thing I will do is I will turn off professional mode. If you have this turned on, just tap on turn off professional mode to continue the changes and tap the turn off button. Now we've only turned off a creator account, but we still want to make it private account. So to make our private account private, what we can do is we can open up this page again, but this time select the option called lock profile, and from here select lock profile option to lock your Facebook profile. This way you'll be able to switch back to creator account and make it private. Thanks for watching. To subscribe for more tips and tutorials such as these.